What is going on? Bitcoin is up 16% in the last 5 days. Here, look at this chart. It's absolutely insane. It's something that very few people had on their radar. From below 25k to currently almost 29k. Now, we've been prepared for this. This was actually no real surprise to us. There was a message for the premium members to get in just one day before all of this happened. Here, look at the following message. The indicator alerts channel, Bitcoin, the price got above the best simple moving average and above the best exponential moving average. And 44 people saw this. We have crossed the best moving averages in Bitcoin, dancing back and forth, buying back in on the 20th of June. So this is why we bought back in. It was for 26k and $800. Since then we went up by more than 7%. Now, can we trust this rally? Some people cry again for this is just another short squeeze. People had been too bearish, so the whales are pushing up the price temporarily, liquidating those short positions, taking away their money just in order to then again dump the price. Is this really what's going on here? I think the answer to this is no. Here, let's have a look at the following chart. This is the short squeeze ratio on an hourly basis. So we did see rallies in the past where a lot of shorts had been squeezed. But right now, the current rally, it does not see a lot of squeezes. So this purple line here is not going up, but the price is rallying. So there are not a lot of open shorts that are getting liquidated here. What this means is that it's likely not market manipulation that's driving this. This is fundamental. Those are real net buys. Now, what are these buys based on? Very likely traditional finance entering the space, right? If you've been following crypto Twitter, if you've been following the crypto YouTube channels, then you might now be aware that BlackRock is applying for an ETF and most of their applications actually do get approved. So a Bitcoin spot ETF for BlackRock, other large asset managers as well, all over the world actually. You've got a few in Germany, in France, more from the US. And so it strongly looks like the retirement money might in the end even end up in crypto. Here, look at this. EDX Markets, the newly launched crypto exchange backed by Citadel, Carl Schwab and Fidelity, currently only supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash trading. These are really large players that are getting into the space now, right? So first, the SEC is clamping down on all of those incumbents, on Coinbase, on Binance, lawsuits being made all over the place. And then the people with real deep pockets pick up the pieces. They pick up the cheap Bitcoin at 25k and launch it into the stratosphere. And so this demand is probably long-term. We should be taking signals like this seriously. These moving averages that we see here, they are back-tested. They historically worked very well in the past. And if you follow this channel, you should have an idea of how well they actually work. There are sometimes these fake outs and they do cost some money. But in the grand scheme of things, we do capture those waves very well. We bet on falling prices or at least get reduced Bitcoin exposure when the price is below those moving averages, and vice versa. We bet on rising prices when we are above. And currently, we have again seen a very clear breakout above. So if you're in that position and you missed this rally, it's probably still not too late. I would not wait for a retracement necessarily. That retracement might not come. The train might simply just continue steaming ahead, and then you're just waiting on the sidelines, not taking advantage of Bitcoin potentially making even all-time highs. Right? This is what would have happened if you waited for a retracement on the 12th of January, for example, right? We simply just continued further up. Or let's say you waited for a retracement in April of 2020 when Bitcoin was at 8k, right? You wanted to buy whenever we came close or below that simple moving average again. It rarely happened, right? We simply just continued climbing and climbing and climbing. The trend really is your friend. And the fundamentals with the entrance of traditional finance have massively improved again. I am risk on, especially for Bitcoin. I do expect Bitcoin dominance to further rise. And I also expect altcoins to do relatively poorly in comparison to Bitcoin. Big money is likely not going to get into Shiba Inu or Hex. And the big money is going to be the catalyst for this rally. So it does make sense to set yourself up accordingly. Let's have a chat together in Telegram. There is a public Telegram channel. Simply search for Bitcoin Strategy channel within the Telegram app. We are discussing the current developments there regularly, and you can also ask me any questions over there. So see you on Telegram, and thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.